Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the HP ScanJet Pro N4000 snw1 sheet feed scanner step by step, whether you're installing it for the first time or reconnecting it to a new system. This guide will help you get your scanner ready quickly and easily. Let's begin with the setup process. Step 1. First, place your scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the location is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. Choosing the correct placement improves scanner performance and increases device life. Step 2. Unbox the scanner. Now, carefully remove the scanner from the box. Inside the package, you will find the HP ScanJet Pro N4000 snw1 scanner, power adapter and power cable, USB cable, setup documentation. Remove all protective tapes and packing materials from the scanner before turning it on. Step 3. Next, connect the power cable to the power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a wall outlet or surge protector. After that, connect the power adapter to the back of the scanner. Press the power button to turn the scanner on. Always use the original power cable provided with the scanner to prevent damage. Step 4. Choose your connection method. This scanner supports 3 connection options: USB connection, wireless connection, or wired LAN connection. Let's go through each option. Option 1. USB connection setup. If you are using a Windows computer, do not connect the USB cable yet. Wait until the software installation asks you to connect it. If you are using macOS, connect the USB cable immediately between the scanner and your computer. Option 2. Wireless network setup. The HP ScanJet Pro N4000 snw1 supports built-in wireless connectivity. Before starting, make sure your scanner, router, and computer are powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, follow these steps. Select your language on the touchscreen panel. Choose your Wi-Fi network name from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Then, wait while the scanner connects to the network. Once connected successfully, your scanner is ready for wireless scanning. Option 3. Wired LAN network setup. For a wired network connection, connect the Ethernet cable to the LAN port on the back of the scanner. Wait a few minutes while the scanner receives a network address. Complete the language setup on the touchscreen panel. Once connected, the wired network icon will appear on the screen. Step 5. Now, install the scanner software on your computer. Follow these steps. Open your browser and go to the HP support website. Search for HP ScanJet Pro N4000 snw1 drivers. Download the correct software for your operating system. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted, select your connection type: USB, wireless, or wired LAN. Once installation is complete, your scanner is ready to use. Step 6. Test your scanner. After installation, load a document into the automatic document feeder. Open HP scanning software on your computer. Click Scan. Your first scan should now be successful. And that's how you set up the HP ScanJet Pro N4000 snw1 sheet feed scanner step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner setup guides. If you still need help with installation, driver setup, or connection issues, please contact us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.